Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore marketing analytics with Looker Studio from GA4 step by step clearly. To begin restoring marketing analytics with Looker Studio from GA4, log into your Google Analytics 4 account. Navigate to the GA4 property that you want to analyze. On the left sidebar, click on Admin. In the Property column, click on Data Streams. Select the data stream you wish to use for your analysis. Make sure to review the Enhanced Measurement settings. Ensure that all relevant events are being tracked. Next, head over to Looker Studio. Log in using the same Google account linked to your GA4 property. In Looker Studio, click on Create in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Data Source. In the Data Source options, find and select Google Analytics. Connect to your GA4 property and then select the appropriate data stream. Click Add to integrate the data source into your Looker Studio. Once the data source is connected, you can start designing your report. Drag and drop the necessary metrics and dimensions onto your report canvas. Customize your charts and visuals to reflect your marketing insights. Use filters to narrow down your data as needed. Be sure to save your report regularly to avoid losing any progress. Once you are satisfied with the report, share it with your team or stakeholders. Monitor the performance of your marketing analytics regularly using this setup. Make adjustments as needed based on the data insights you gather. Continue to refine your report to align with your marketing goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.